So special thanks to this company, LOFTER-PRO, for sending us their computer monitor light bar. This is an e-reading lamp. Same there, same there. And the back just kind of gives you a demonstration of exactly how you would use this. So let's open this on up. Looks like it slides out of this. Yep. Ooh. All right. So our instruction kit, got some padding for the top of your monitor, some 3M sticky tape, and then of course your instruction manual telling you how to actually put it together. So this is the clip. Looks like you can actually rotate this. Wow, okay. And then this is the actual light, and well, that's it for the box. So you can see the LEDs down in there. Very nice. And then a nice USB-A cable, good size length. And then you have power with up and down and a cycle button, probably to change the color. So let's get this set up real quick on my iMac and show you at nighttime exactly how this thing works. All right, so I have installed the light, and there is what it looks like. Pretty amazing, to be honest. Great for somebody who maybe works more in the dark and needs that bit of light. Now there is up and down and to change the color. So we have this color, that color, and the more daylight color, and then back to the bright one. And then you can turn it all the way down. So that's the lowest brightness, and then all the way up, that's the highest brightness. But truly an amazing product for somebody who's working at their desk, doesn't like having the lights on, and they'll be able to read, write, etc., and not have, you know, so much brightness. So 2 massive thumbs up. I must say, I really like this thing. Really quick and easy to install as well. So thank you all for watching. Thanks again to this company for sending this to me, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.